Buddy, how we doing? Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. This is going to be the craziest day of the market this week. We've got right now we have job numbers coming out. We have initial and continuing claims. Then we're going to get Bullard. Then we're going to get Powell. So there's going to be a lot of things coming out today. We still have Amy up a little bit in the pre-market, up about 1.5% after that pretty significant red day yesterday of about 7%. Tigers having a good morning again. We got Jimmy up about $1.42, 0.95%. Let's see. SPY's not really moving yet. I don't think US jobless claims minus 2K to 184K. US April 9th continuing claims minus 58,000 to 1.4 million. So pretty much a dud, it looks like, on the economic data right now. I like it. I like it. Let's see if the market's going to react at all to this. But how you guys doing? You guys doing good? You guys doing all right? Let's see. Guys, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out getting some more people in here. Today's going to be crazy. So let's see. So we're riding out those Tiger and Costco calls, seeing what's going to happen with those. The Costco's are for next week. I'm going to play those a little bit tighter. The Tigers are for May. So, and it's already free. Snapchat earnings after hours today. I do want it. We'll see what we can get on it, though. Probably going to have to go for next week contracts, but we'll see. 19.36% estimated short interest on Amy. 99.79 million estimated shares to be sold short right now. 2.13% average cost borrow. 2.53% max. So it does look like some shares are getting returned. Does it look like that in the price action? No. So again, there's still a lot of shorts out there. And the real issue is really all of those short exempts and the market maker doing what they're doing. So Jimmy this morning, no other crazy glitch. I don't even know if that 260% was a glitch. I don't think it was. You can't have 100 something thousand shares going out on loan and it's showing 260% average cost to borrow and then just being like, oh no, just kidding. Like, that's not how it works. So 19.26% estimated short interest on Jimmy over here. 7.94% average cost borrow, but there's only been 23,000 shares total that have been borrowed today. Let's see. Oh, the LSD screen. Sorry, hold on. I'll fix it. Hold on. Freaking YouTube, bro. LSD. I didn't even see that. Sorry. We should be good now. Oh, it fixed itself, and then I fixed it for it. All right. Back to normal. Computer is on drugs. Why is your screen LSD tripping? I don't know. Like, the whole YouTube nonsense has been happening a lot recently. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. SPY's coming up here a little bit. I like it, man. I like it. The value plays are looking HD doing. I do really oh yeah. I do really want some Home Depot calls leading up into their earnings. Look at the 4-hour here. I really do like if it can. So the problem is it's using this 200 EMA as that level of a test, new low, test, new low, test. Is it going to make a new low off of this, or is it going to finally break through and start? I think it's possible that it's going to break through and start running. Just because it has earnings coming up, we're seeing that rotation. We've just seen it go from about 299 to 317, which is a pretty big move. I think it could easily get a little bit spicier, especially getting some momentum heading into earnings. So that's what I'm looking for on HD. We watching 3M? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, 3M. Yeah, 3M's up 1% right now. Damn, this is an interesting one. The 4-hour, I believe, was looking really good on this one. And I was just like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it looks good. Couple of closing candles above here. What's the high? 152.59. I mean, I have all value plays right now. I like it. Like, it's good. All right, so SPY got a little red here. So they're reacting to some of these job numbers now. Yeah, I mean, 3 minutes ago, like, these numbers came out and nothing too crazy has been going on since then. So, okay, guys, hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot. Cost is up. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Cost is up. Looking at the HD 350 after the dip. Yeah, I mean, all these value plays are going to have like a day or two where they're going to cool off. Tiger just hasn't. That's why I made it free yesterday. But Tiger's just been on an absolute moon mission over here. It's up 0.88%. It's at 251.51. I like it. It's still running. Netflix is down another 3%, isn't it? So that's why when everybody was saying, when are we gonna get calls on Netflix? When are we gonna get calls on Netflix? The one thing you got to think about is okay, Netflix, nasty, terrible earnings, shat itself yesterday, shitting itself again today. The one thing you got to look for, what did Facebook do after they tanked on earnings? Did people buy it? Did people buy Facebook back up? When is this? When was the massive gap down? Was it really February? Really interesting. So the Facebook gap down on the earnings, it just tanked and then didn't really come back for like a month. Then it started to come back up. Then it came right back down. Netflix, Facebook, all these stocks, I would not be looking to buy right now. Netflix for me, absolutely not. But Spy's out of the box here. That could get a little spicy. Target can move like Dollar Tree, like DLTR. Yeah, it's running. I mean, if that gets that 4 hour, yeah, on the 4 hour, yeah, dude. If Target gets this kind of move on the 4 hour, I mean, it's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty. Same thing with Costco. I mean, we're playing Costco on this, on the rim, on the little rim job action over here. We're just playing it on this little bounce off the foot. Ooh, it came down below the 48. That's interesting. Netflix is done. I mean, it's possible that you see a little buyout, honestly. I would not be surprised if somebody came in and was like, "We're gonna buy you." Did you guys also see that Netflix is gonna be putting ads on their platform? They're doing what? So Netflix is now gonna be running ads on their platform. Are they stupid? Let's see. They should buy out Netflix. You do realize that it's like right around well, it's less than 100 billion right now, isn't it? What's the market cap? 100.42 billion. We cannot afford that. They will lose more viewers. Exactly. They will just continue to lose viewers. Uh, we can do a little bit of the technicals on Amy too. I mean, it's not looking great. Just in terms of like the 4 hour and the daily. I mean, you run up through here, or you got a couple of candles above the 13 here, comes right back down. You get this test of the 48 on a nice little bump day right here. And then, yeah, right back down. So we're about to get a 4 hour cross down. I wouldn't be surprised if we made new lows. But again, if the market's going to come up nicely off of like Bullard and Powell, which anything is possible at this point, we could end up seeing a little bit of a pop. Jimmy looks actually really good on the 4 hour. GME looks decent. It has not cracked below the 200 EMA on the 4 hour, and it's just bumped off of it. And it's trying to get another 1348 cross on the 4 hour right here. It just came down to the 200, bounced. Now on the daily, it looks a little bit different. The daily, it's just hovering around this 13 and the 200. So, I mean, this looks good. It's just kind of flatlining and consolidating after a run up from what, less than 100? It was in the 70s, 80s at one point. I mean, that looks good, kind of holding right around 150 here. I like that a lot. Cat's going to get spicier. Oh boy. Is it? Yeah, this thing's not bad. Verizon has earnings. Let's see. Hold on. VZ has earnings coming up. Verizon's up a little bit in the pre-market. Snap. Let's see how Snap's doing today. And let's get like a preliminary what Snap is pricing in. I think that'll help some people here. So 30.76 is what the stock is currently. Rad is down like another percent. I think Rad's just going to sell pretty hard. Okay, so Snap is trading at 30.76. So that's right in the middle. Okay, so we'll use it. Oh my God. What the wow, they're pricing in a lot. They're gonna price Jesus, dude. Oh boy. I don't know, man. I mean, maybe they're pricing in like 20%. Snap is pricing in like 20%. Look at the IV on this thing. 300%. 400%. I want it, but that's aggressive. That is really, really, really aggressive. How do you determine what they're pricing in? You do that. You calculate what the at the money strangle is. So buying puts and calls at the same strike or straddle at the money straddle. And then you just divide it by the share price. So Snap is pricing in a metric shitload. It usually does that though. What about the next week's? Hold on. What if I went for like crazy numbers? Okay, I mean you could. That's gonna be a game time decision. I don't know if we're gonna. Damn, that sucks. This is what happened last time too. They were pricing in so much, and then they went boom. Tesla up 9%. Ooh, that's close. Tesla was pricing in like, oh yeah, Tesla running. Tesla running now. That's probably enough. That's probably enough to print the strangle for what Tesla was pricing. I think Tesla was pricing in 7. So 1068. Yeah. Yeah, Tesla I think would print the strangle here. That's not bad. That's gonna bump the SPY up too. If Tesla goes on a little bit of a run, that's gonna help out with SPY and a lot of these other plays. Where's Lucid? Lucid's up a little bit. Rivian might be up a little bit too here. Rivian's up 2.32. Not bad. Not bad. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot with Al Gore's rhythm. What do we want? Tiger or Tiger King? Oh, Tiger. Cost. Yeah, cost is looking good. So I think the Fed news is already priced in. I mean, it's not really news. It's not really new. It's just like Bullard's going to be spewing a bunch of nonsense again, and then Powell is going to speak on the overall state of economy to the IMF. So he could say some things there. It's going to be like very similar to Powell going in front of, I believe, like the House Financial Services Committee. It's going to be stuff like that. He could move it. Good morning, SCB. What's up, Jordan? How you doing? You only bought calls? Let's see. Narkill. Ooh, we got a lot of the regular faces in here today. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? All right. Good morning, Vix. Would you please tell us about Tesla going so far above max pain? Generally speaking, how do market makers hedge for that? They buy shares. UAL's flying. All right, so that's gonna mean AAL is gonna. Is AAL reporting today? Yeah, United Airlines. How much is this up? 8%. What were they pricing in? Little less than 10. So they were right around expectations, but that'll still probably do all right. Let's see. Ortex on CRXT. That was an interest. I think we saw this one yesterday. The CRXT Ortex was a bit dirty. Yeah. I don't know what the hell's going on with this, but it says 579% estimated short interest, and 787% average cost to borrow. So 901% max. Something's going on there, folks. What's this doing? It's up 18%. I don't know. That's an interesting one. All right, let's see. Tiger. Yeah, dude, I love Tiger. Let's see if we can continue to be the Tiger King. Because that would be pretty sweet. Continuing our run as the Tiger King would be real nice. I mean, I'm probably gonna hold these for a while. Could we all like become millionaires today? That would be cool. I mean, probably not. No nonsense today. Yeah, the no nonsense policy is in full effect. Not dealing with it. We sit here, we do stuff on Amy. Okay, that came out wrong. We look at what Amy's doing, and then we find some dirty trades and make a bunch of money. Anything other than that, nonsense. You saw Mullen after hours. It was like STV. Uh-oh, what did it do? I think Creek. Oh, Mullen's up 17%. Yeah. So yesterday we were talking about Mullen. Mullen's 5 minute chart looked like it was coming down. And if it broke 133, where is this? Yeah, dude. It literally came down a penny above where I was saying if it broke that, it's coming down hard, probably sub one. It came down to one. It was literally 133 is what we were looking at on the 4 hour. As like, it's probably coming down. I think it was this level of support right here, right around. Or no, where is it? I don't know why we were saying 133. There was a reason why we were saying 133. I forget what it was, but at 133 was the break, and if it broke that, it was coming down pretty hard, and then it just right bounced right off of it. No options on CRXT. Yeah, it's going to be really risky. The short interest, I mean, that could be a glitch. Like we saw it with a couple of other stocks where they do some weird like offering stuff and something happens and then their short interest goes crazy. But the cost to borrow is not the max is 900%. Does that mean they're likely to go bankrupt? Who? Morning, y'all. What's up, GL? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? SNDL calls in case they legalize it. I ain't going anywhere near SNDL. Sorry. Not for me. Tiger. Bloop. Costco. Mm-hmm. Tesla YOLO, baby. Man, I've had a week. Wanted felons. Did you hit Netflix too? Melvin winding down their fund, but he wants to do over and start a fund. Dude, okay. I'll make a video about this Melvin thing. Melvin is literally has shiny object syndrome right now. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like a business phenomenon where you can't make up your mind and you see something new and you're like, "Ooh, I want to go do that." And then you're like, kind of do it a little bit, and then you see something else that could be better and you're like, "Ooh, I want to go do that." They literally suck. Melvin is terrible. They literally were like, "Oh, I'm going to go open a long only fund because we've been getting blown out on short positions." And then Melvin starts to buy stocks, and then they all fucking tank, like a firm and like all of those on Facebook, all those other stocks that we were looking at, where we were like, "Oh, Melvin owns a shitload," and now they're just like, "I don't know, bro. Let's just go back to shorting." And they should, but Gabe Plotkin should just take his millions and just honestly fuck off. He's done. Gabe Plotkin is done. You cannot lose this much money for clients and then expect to just be like, nah, okay. You can't do that. Imagine if you were one of Gabe Plotkin's clients right now and you saw him doing this. You'd be like, bro, stop. Just throw it into the S&P and chill out. Is HD the next value play? Home Depot and Lowe's. Yeah, I'm going to go for him at some point. What do I think about Tesla today? It's probably going to run a little bit. Kathy's going to be happy. Kathy and Meat Kevin are going to be losing their fucking minds right here. It's up 10% on earnings. That's a little bit rare for Tesla. Jimmy popping up a little bit here. Look at SNDL earnings numbers. It's in May. It doesn't matter. It doesn't like, I just don't like them. Sorry. I just like, there's nothing about them that I'm like, yes, I like. It's so dependent on news. It's a penny stock. It could get delisted. Like, is it going to? I don't think so. I think they'll keep finding ways to delay, but he just wants to hit the reset button. He can't. How do we short him? I mean, you can't, but Kathy sold a lot of her Tesla before earnings. Paper hand, Kathy. That's funny. That's actually really funny. Kathy paper handed her Tesla before earnings. All right, let's see. Amy doing its thing over here. Spy just kind of flatlining. Where's our tiger? And tiger looking good. Costco wholesale group. Yeah, Costco's looking good here too. Meet Kevin has 16,000 Tesla shares. Isn't that like, is that 1.6 million or 16 million? How much is that? Is it 1.6 million or 16 million? 16 million. Jesus. Dude. Meet Kevin potentially just made like 1.6 million bucks in a day off of owning Tesla on shares for earnings. Imagine that. Huh? Oh my God. All right, we'll get there one day. All right, let's see. Tesla takes over the trucking industry. It's a wrap. Yeah. Amy getting a little pop here. STV, thank you for streaming all the time. Makes my day a lot more interesting. Vic, I appreciate that, buddy. That takes balls. Well, yes and no. Because if he's buying a lot of Tesla, remember, it is trading pretty far. I mean, let's look at it right here. I believe it's pretty far off of the high. Actually, not really. 1243. Yeah, that's not interesting. Yeah, that is a big bet. That is kind of a big YOLO there. Just got out of the hospital. Catching up with you. Hope you're all right, man. Who's in Tiger? Me. Obviously, I am the Tiger King. Uber got a 4-hour cross? Yeah. So here's the deal with all these 4-hour crosses here and why I like them a lot now. Amy's popping up a little. We around here are pretty good at reading what the market's doing. Like wait, what is going on in general and being like, okay, where's the money gonna go? Remember, three or 4 weeks ago, we were really starting to talk about TLT, SPY, money flowing out of the market, going to cash, and where it was going to go. Remember, it was either going to come back into growth or it was going to really come into value. We were talking about this for a while and it was like, where's it going to go? Okay, now we're seeing it come back into value. We have rate hikes. We have this Russia nonsense. We have commodity prices going crazy. We have balance sheet runoff. We have a lot of things going on that would cause a lot of people to take that cash that they have, put it somewhere because it's every single day it's going down with all the inflation going on. Even with the rate hikes, they're not going to be able to get inflation under control that quick. They need to put cash somewhere. So the value companies like Target and all of these may not even be like these great companies that are going to succeed in this type of environment, but the amount of money flowing into them creates an opportunity to make money on these swings. So that's why we're in a lot of these value plays right here. That's literally it. Has the market been coming up a little bit? Yeah, but we've also seen days where the SPY is down and Tiger and all these value plays just go boom. So you're seeing a little bit of the rotation here. What is Costco's ticker? Cost. COST. Let's see if we get any no news really over here. Dude, I can't believe imagine just putting 16 million into one stock that's like Tesla. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Thank you guys so much to those of you guys who have already done it without even me asking. I really appreciate you guys. Let's see. AAL is up 11% pre-market. AAL is not a squeeze play, but Did they report or are they just running off UAL? Oh, they already reported? Yes, they reported. This is earnings move here. Where's Delta? Delta's up 3. So Delta had good earnings, pumped up the other one. I believe Delta had earnings already, pumped up the other airlines. All these airlines are starting to look good here. That's actually a decent one too. What are they looking like on the 4-hour? What about Jets? We can play Jet. Oh yeah, 4-hour looks good. What about Jets, the airline ETF? Jets is up 5%. Yeah, this ETF is not the worst idea if you want to trade it on the 4-hour because you get all the airline exposure. Interesting here. Yeah, it is heavily shorted, but I mean that doesn't mean that it's gonna just go boom. It could. I mean, it's up 11% on earnings. Where's our tiger? Yeah, looking good. Costco. Yeah, and here's the thing with these with this market environment too, you almost want to give your contracts a little bit more time anyway. Like it's kind of switching from I mean, yeah, you could go crazy on the scalps, but the big money to be made, I think, is figuring out where money's going to go and just going with it. Spirit, isn't that Save? They had some JetBlue buyout rumor. Yeah, Spirit's up too. They're all up. You can see if Jets is up 5%, I mean, all of the airlines are going to be up right now. Where's Southwest? What is Southwest ticker? Southwest Airline. What is Southwest ticker? I know they have one. What is it? It's something. It's weird. Love. That's what it is. Yeah, this one's up too. They're all up. Thank you. Jets call maybe. I mean, who? What other airlines are going to be report? Are there other airlines coming in? AAL squeezed last year, same time. Yeah, I do remember. Yeah, AAL was kind of crazy. What's it on the 4-hour? Oh yeah. I mean, what is this? That's not that big, man. That's 18 to 1948. That's $1.50 move. Wait, no. Okay, that's a big move. It's at 21.65. Yeah, it's a pretty big move on this 4-hour cross. That's why I like these 4-hours, man. They're really, really, really good. Do you think Kramer had a bag on Netflix? That's why he's tweeting to buy it. No, I think he just sucks. I think he's just being a boomer. Literally just like, oh, Netflix streaming. It's streaming. Streaming's gonna win, right? No, it's not how that works, pal. All right. Tiger's getting a little flickery. Costco looking good. I think Costco's gonna be a dirty play. I think if Costco runs back up to those highs and breaks that, that could be interesting. And aren't we seeing a lot of like food shortages and stuff too? Kmart sucks. That's a great movie. I love Rain Man. Rain Man's such a good movie. Charlie Babbitt made a joke. Those airlines are all losing pilots like crazy. All of them are in trouble. Yeah, but also Boeing is also ramping up production and giving more planes to the airlines in I think it's second half of this year. That's why, but that was the Boeing news yesterday and why it started to pop. Oh, Costco with a nice little green candle here. Look at this. Look at this. The Costco's that I have are up a little bit right now. They're not up very much. Oh, Gabe, what's up, buddy? How you doing? I'm surprised you've even seen Rain Man. How have you not seen Rain Man? Rain Man's like the best, one of the best movies ever. Rain Man's an awesome movie. With inflation, Costco sure to hold of that. Yeah, I think I remember seeing stuff about like food shortages. Food shortages, rising prices. We've been warning about this for years. Interesting. Interesting. That's a boomer movie. You guys are all boomer. You see, you guys, I've seen some of the boomer movies, but I haven't seen all of them because you know what? I'm not a boomer like you guys. All right, let's see here. Oh, food processor plants caught on fire. See, that's not good. SUV knows Rain Man, but not Nirvana. I know one Nirvana song. I know who Kurt Cobain is. It's kind of hard not to know who Kurt Cobain is. Where's my tiger? It's chilling. SPY making new highs in the pre-market. Woohoo! You haven't read the article? Also, guys, Algo was doing Amy Little Pop here. Algo was doing some back testing on the 1348 strategy and the algorithm, and he found that with shares on the daily crossover, if you're taking 2%, if your profit target is 2%, it has like a 75% win rate. So that was scanned on over 10,000 stocks over 6 years of data. So that algorithm is going to be getting released to you guys very soon. I believe we're going to get that next week. You guys are going to be able to see that. So if you are interested, again, you can get into the Discord. Time's running out for the little free trial we're offering you guys. Here's the link to that right here. You do have to sign up through the Patreon. You just won't get charged until the beginning of next month. But yeah, over 40 private live streams. Gabe's going to be going live in a little bit. 400 stocks alerted, the fastest alerts, the highest quality alerts that tell you everything that you need to know about exactly what's going on with the cross and the stock. You get the 3-minute chart, you get the 5-minute chart, you get the 4-hour chart, and the charts look like this. Oh, did they cuck me on this? Oh no, I got it right here. But so I've got Bitcoin over here because I was messing around a little bit. You're getting these charts with support and resistance levels, the shaft trend cycle, MACD, RSI. It's literally telling you when these crosses happen. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys check that out. All right. Tiger hanging around the 13. Lower volume than we saw yesterday in the pre-market for Tiger. Kurt Cobain is your idol? Gabe, are you all right, buddy? Gabe, are you all right? Kurt Cobain, he had a little bit. Are you all right, pal? Do you need some help? Melvin Capital trouble? Yeah, Melvin Capital sucks. They're like Kmart. Kmart sucks. All right, folks. Let's see what we're going to get. All right, everybody. So Tiger doing its thing over here. Up about 0.67% again. We got Amy doing its thing as well. We got SPY trying to do its thing here. Jimmy flickering around. Any Fed people talking today? Yeah, we got Bullard and Powell coming up a little bit later. Bullard and Powell. All right. We're going to make some money. It's Costco. Does I see Carvana? No, isn't that CNV? Carvana. Ooh, this thing is having no fun. What the fuck is this doing? Okay. Well, Carvana is having a little bit of a weird thing going over here. All right. I had a sneeze. Oh man. Oh. All righty. Oh man. All right, folks. Let's see what we're gonna get over here. And again, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with Al Gore's rhythm. Hold on. Let's see. All right, let's see. Caterpillar is a beast, dude. That was another one we missed out on the 4-hour. I'm hunting HD and lows though. I'm hunting HD and lows. I want it. I want it. Let's see. Vincent, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Got into Tesla puts expiring 422. Best exit strategy. Market. Wait for a dip or set price. Thought Shanghai was going to affect earnings. Oh, you're done. Your contracts are going to be at zero. They're either going to be at zero or very, very close to zero. This is why you don't play earnings one way, Vincent. Because you can't. You are just gambling at that point. This is why I always say, this is a prime example, don't play earnings one way, because you'll have a stock that goes against you. It moves big, but it moves in the wrong direction and it goes to relatively nothing. There really is no exit strategy for that. You're done. AT&T had good earnings. Oh, how big? It's only up a percent and a half. VZ, I think, is up more. Or no, VZ's up 0.4. T-miss on revenue, but still up 1%. Yeah. STV sneeze. Time for a potty break. That's how it works. Vincent, pray to God. Yeah. And you should only be, any earnings trade that you have, you should be only using less than 1 or less than 2% of your overall trading portfolio. Do not, I mean, this is why I say it, Vincent, every single day when people are asking me, which way are you playing it? And I like lose my fucking mind and I'm like almost bang my head against the corner of the table. This is why. Because if you play it one way, and I mean, if you're playing it with like less than 1% of your portfolio, fine, do whatever the hell you want, because then you're just like, it's just like half of the stop on a normal 1348 trade. But if you went big on it and you're just gambling, like you can't, that's not how you play the market, especially earnings. Casanova, I already did it. It's like 900% cost to borrow and like 400% shorted. That thing is crazy. This is why SCB strangles GME. No, I don't strangle GME. 2% total, hoodie. 2% total. That's why a lot of you guys should not be trading some of these earnings. You just shouldn't be. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Can we get Ortex on every ticker? No. Sorry. No, you cannot. You guys can go get Ortex yourself if you want to go through every single ticker. Tiger. I'm confused. I thought this was a casino. Sorry, pal. Sorry, pal. That's not how it works. That is not how it works. Ortex on STV strangling Mikey. It's probably, it depends on in what way, in what context. Ortex on Melvin, please. Heavily shorted. Heavily shorted on Melvin. Let's see here. Yeah, dude, my Tiger is looking solid. If Tiger can run, I mean, 255 today on Tiger would be sexy. It depends, though. Spy needs to hold and not have an absolute disaster. If Spy starts to have a disaster off of Powell and Bullard, it's not going to be fun. The jobs numbers came in basically, it looked like it was unchanged. And now, I mean, the Spy could come up into Bullard and Powell. But again, unless they start talking about like increased balance sheet runoff sooner than expected or 75 basis point hike, I think they're going to be fine, because all they're going to say is inflation is running hot, the economy is looking strong, and we're going to take the necessary steps that we need to in order to get everything back on track. That's literally what they're going to say. Unless like that's what has been said and most likely is going to be said going into today. If anything else is said that's like more hawkish, then the market's going to sell off. But we're outside of the box here looking all right. Can I show Lulu on Ortex? I mean, I guess. Why? Lulu's not Lulu's not going to squeeze, dude. Lulu, 2% shorted, 0.5% or 0.4% average cost to borrow, 2% utilization. They're not shorting Lulu. Lulu, I mean, I want to play Lulu on the rebound. Where was it? Oh, 388, I think was the number. Where was it? Oh, 384 now is the. Why was I looking at 388? Oh, I think it was a support level on this chart here. Where is it? Oops. Yeah, what's this? Yeah, 389. So it's this level right here. If you can bounce off this, come back up above the 13 and start running, I might get some Lulu. Because Lulu's going to have some earnings coming up, and that could be dirty. Caesar, I did not. We can take a look at them. I might take a look at those in the after hours today, or I'll read them during my class that I have to go to today. But when I saw it yesterday, I was like, this is literally just NSCC 010 repackaged into something else. So we can look at it, but it looked pretty similar to what we've already seen in the past. Let's see. All right, guys. Again, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. That's all we ask for over here. Oh, let's see. We could be doing a little bit better. We got some slackers in here today. We got some slackers. Check Oxy. It's moving a little. Where's oil? Oil's up a little bit. Playing one way on the run up, yeah. If I like it on the run up, yeah. I want HD to just break 320. Or Lulu doesn't have earnings till June? Yeah, exactly. Affirm? Ooh, what's up with Affirm? Affirm's up 2%. That's not bad. Tesla 1,300 price target from who? From you, or just like it got a $1,300 price target? All right, let's see. We got a little over 15 minutes to go here. IMPP. Yeah, this one could run. I think with oil running back up, IMPP could run like pretty crazy. It's just barcoding though. That's the issue. It needs to not barcode. Is a Tyrion a dead cat and hit the like you dinks? Okay, I don't know what that is. I feel like I might have just said something bad there, but I don't know. A Tyrion, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. A Tyrion's done for now. Where's Sam? Where's Sam Adams? Sam Adams, get your ass in here, buddy. Where are you? Sam Adams was like, nope, you guys are playing up on a Tyrion. Shorten it. Every single time we see a stock start to run, Sam Adams loses his mind and he's just like, nope. Let's see. When the 1348 company going public? There isn't one. There is no public company of 1348. Mullen's up. Mullen was up like 20%, I think. 17. At 21% right now, looking all right. Sam Adams is running from Uncle Sam. No, that's different Sam. Different Sam is running from Uncle Sam. Sam is his IRS meeting. No, different. These are different Sams. We have multiple Sams in here. All right, where's my tiger? Yeah, tiger's looking sexy. HD looking good. Yeah, HD's looking good. You could try and scale in before the 200 cross if you want to get it early, but that's risky. It could easily just hit it and come right back down. Lowe's, same thing. I mean, I want Home Depot and Lowe's are usually, they're going to move together, but Yeah, Lowe's needs a little bit. 214.64 is the 200 on the 4-hour. If it look, if it gets there and starts to run to the previous high, where's that? Oh, cool, 237. I'll take that all day long. All right, where's Costco? Costco holding or coming down? Yeah, Costco came down a little. Rad needs to bounce back. No, I want Rad to just sell hard. There we go. Rad down 2.44%. That strangle could be good. That strangle on Rad could be nice. Oh, you know what we were also looking at? CVS. Are there two CVSs? No, oh no, this is the one. CVS on the 4-hour is nasty. Look at this. Actually, it's like sort of all right. Hit that like button, says Laney. Appreciate that. What happens when a company, for AMC example, sells 100% of their shares? Ooh, then they just can't sell anymore. They can ask for more, but then they just can't. I mean, Amy only has they only have 47,000 shares left. Let's see. Uh, 1758 on Amy over here. Spy trying to come up here a little bit. I want to see Costco go on a little moon mission today. That's Vost, not Cost. Costco Wholesale Group. We'll see. HD May 6th calls. No, that doesn't cover earnings. The contracts that I'll get will cover earnings, so you'll see maybe a little IV pop. CVS is getting sued by who? Who's Civis getting sued by? All right. Yeah. Costco little pop up here. All right, people. We got 13 minutes to go until open. This is going to get spicy. The state of Florida for 500 million. Okay. Well, that's not good. I would call that a problem. All right. Let's see here, folks. What are we going to get? Just pulled out a big withdrawal thanks to 1348. If you run out of settled cash, can I play a strangle at the end of the day with unsettled funds for earnings after close? Yes. Because you'll sell it the next day, the cash will settle. Then you're good to go. Then you are good to go. You want a Twitter update? It's down 2%. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like on Twitter. Flatlining. I'm not touching this. Jimmy, little pop. I think the market's going to be very slow until Bullard and Powell. Kelly, what's up, man? How you doing? Stock up, Pico. Stock down, Chan Chan. We haven't seen Pico or Chan Chan in a very long time. When does Bullard speak? I believe. Well, I'll tell you. I think it's 12. I know we're getting Powell at 2. Bullard is probably at 12:30. Bullard's 12:30. Powell's at 1. So we'll be back on for those. We'll be back on for both of those. Or Melvin was right. I do miss Melvin was right. That was fun. I miss when Melvin was right was coming in here. Then there was some dinosaur dude. There were a lot of shills. All right, let's see. Where is my tiger? Flicker. Let's go up a little over 0.5% in the pre-market over here. That's not bad. SPY's just flatlining into. We got 10 minutes to go here. Let's see what we're gonna get. Fidelity made it so you can't trade through the New York Stock Exchange now. So much for that. Yeah, how legit is that though? Is that a continuing issue or was that a one-day issue? We haven't really had that many shills for a week or two. Oh no, we have. I just don't point them out. Amy up about 1.4%. Let's do a little Amy or Tex as we're getting in here today. See what they've done. It is past 9 now, so we're going to get a little bit more. Yeah, so we got net borrow of 270,000 shares, 2.35% average cost borrow, 2.73% max, 19.37% estimated short interest. Let's see what we got on Jimmy over here. 19. What the fuck? 19.29% estimated short interest on Jimmy, 43,000 net borrow, 7.91% average cost borrow, 8.6% max. That's a decent drop in Jimmy's short interest. Keith, what's up, buddy? How's Wally today? Let's see. Where is Wally in the pre-market? Wally's up with 0.5% in the pre-market. That's not bad. Want my tiger to just go. Oh, Jimmy, little pop here, up 1.1%, $1.64 in the pre-market. Amy's starting to come up here a little bit. Come on. Let's have a day today. Let's have a freaking day today, people. Green until the Fed speaks. I mean, it honestly could stay green. It's very possible that it stays green because we've seen a lot of Fed speakers this week and nothing's really new pre-market high on Amy over here. Verizon moving big. Yeah, Verizon's running up. Verizon is running up right now. Yeah, Jimmy's 4-hour and daily chart are looking really, 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 really strong. The consolidation on Jimmy is really good. Like GME looks fire. Look at this. 4-hour never came down below the 200 EMA here. It's trying to get a 1348 cross back up on the daily. Again, just hovering that 13 in the 200. Never got that cross down. So Jimmy actually looks really good. Tiger. Flicker. Costco still at 607. 606. Can I look at Uber on the 4-hour? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Uber 34.15 moving up here nicely. Up. Wow, 2.9% in the pre-market. Yeah, Uber did cross here, but it's not. I wouldn't really get on this yet. I'd almost look for the 200 to start bending back to the upside. Am I in Tesla calls? No, I don't like playing Tesla earnings. Usually it doesn't move, but this time it moved nicely. This is if you just have calls, you're gonna make a little bit of money depending on how far out of the money you got them. But it's up 9% on earnings. That's not bad. Melvin Capital says considering restructuring, but still focus on shorting. Yep, we have that. We got that a little earlier. All right, everybody. 6 minutes until open here. Let's get excited. It's going to be a fun day. Yeah, everybody filtering in too. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. That's literally all we ask for over here. Help get the word out about Amy and what's going on with it. You guys have been super helpful recently. Let's see. We're doing all right today. You guys are doing all right. How Melvin going to continue when they're down 50%? Dude, Melvin just sucks. And like, they're terrible. Melvin is done. And they were wrong. Just point it out. All right. Last 5-minute candle, people. Let's see what we're going to get. Amy's up about 1.6% over here. Where's my Tiger? Tiger looking good. Costco probably going to do all right. What's the volume on it? Oh, it's nothing. Coming down a little here. Could be a huge day for Amy and Jimmy. Maybe. I don't know if that Melvin news is really going to drive a lot of price action. I don't think it necessarily will, but we could see a little bit of a pop here. I mean, we were down $1.34 yesterday. I mean, we got to recapture that loss. Melvin has lost 51.8% since January 21 through March. That's the worst. That's literally the worst. And everybody here is performing most likely better than Melvin Capital. Good for you. Melvin sucks, and they were wrong. Fuck them. Let's see. Amy and Jimmy getting a little bit of volatility. Tiger. Yeah, let's watch Tiger at open. Get Melvin a 1348 subscription. Dude, they would have so much more fun and success if they were just trading 1348. They just would. They just suck. Like, they're so bad. Like, yeah, I can't think of another fund that's where Bill Huang, Archegos. Morning dip, then rip. Yeah, I mean, you're probably going to see a bunch of nonsense depending on what the market's going to do here. I mean, they want to get a little jumpy in the pre-market over here. Like, you can see, like, Jimmy's got a little bit of action coming up here. Amy's got a little bit of jumpiness. Low volume, but we'll see what happens. You need CVS to have a day today. Yeah, careful on the weeklies, guys. Weeklies are dangerous. What's the news? Why everything is green? I mean, Tesla's up, but I mean, I love that question. It's like, what's the news? Why everything is green? Most of the time, it's like nothing. What plays do I think today? I don't know. I like the 4-hour swings. I mean, I'm looking for Home Depot. I want that. I want to kind of see where Lowe's and 3M are going to go too. And we'll kind of see. I think we're going to see this value rotation throughout the next couple of months. So I'm going to hang around with a lot of those. Thoughts on TLT? Depends if there's a bond auction today. If there's going to be something going on, the bond auctions like to move TLT a lot. What's TLT doing right now? Is it up? No, TLT's down. How pissed are Melvin's customers? Imagine if you were Melvin's, like a big high net worth individual, and you gave your money to Melvin, and you're down 75% ish total. I'd be like, hey, Gabe Plotkin, fuck you. I could have literally just thrown this into the S&P and made a lot. That's what I'm saying, dude. These people all love to say that think that they're smarter than everybody with their fancy algorithms and data platform, like data, and like they're not. They suck. It's just stuck. It's like he's not good. He had a little bit of a run. He's all right, but you can't have a decent run and then capitulate. That's just not how this works. You cannot be doing that nonsense. Oh, 1 minute to go. Here we go, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's see. Where's my Tiger? Flatlining. Let's see. Amy. All right. Flicker, flicker, flicker. Doing the nonsense that it likes to do. Here we go. Let's go. Is Melvin really going out? Well, they're not doing good. They're gonna have no money soon. They're a hedge fund. Why don't they just fucking hedge? Like, oh man. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. We just got the ding, ding. Let's see what's going to happen with the SPY over here. SPY's coming up a little bit. We are outside of the box. We got Jimmy flickering around. We got our Tiger moving up here a little bit. Where's Cost? Is Cost getting a little bit of a pop at open? Nah, Cost is coming down a little. HD, what's up with this? HD flatlining here. Where's our Tiger? Tiger flickering. Let's see what happens. SPY looks all right here. Let's see. I don't have HD yet. No, not yet. Oh, there goes Tiger. There we go. What are these up right now? Oh, nice. My Rite Aid puts 72%. Thank you very much. The Costco's are up 30%. And the Tigers are up 160 right now. So that's good. That's always fun to see. Costco coming down though. Netflix trying. Look at X. I really don't want to. Steel is trying. 1744 on Amy over here. Just kind of doing its thing. SPY's trying to get up here a little bit. That'd be pretty nice to see if it wants to get a little spicy. Tiger flicker in here. HD. How's this doing? And flatline. Let's see. All right, guys. Let's see what we're going to get. 1750 on Amy. Trying to move up here a little bit. SPY's moving up. Come on. Oh, my Tiger. Costco just went red. BBIG running. Is it? Not really. It's up 1% here. SPY's moving up here. Current setup of Ethereum, I would say it's coming down. I'm not touching it anymore. AT&T moving. Yeah, T is running up. VZ is Verizon running too. Yeah, Verizon's trying to get up here a little bit as well. Tiger trying. Costco back into the green. HD looking good. Tesla, what's up with Tesla? How's it doing at open? Nothing. Coming down, touching that 13. SPY is getting a little bit of a jump here. I like that. Amy's coming back up here nicely. Come on, break that 200 EMA and start running. Jimmy's above its 200 EMA. That's not bad. Henry's running. Henry with some candles over here, up 8.5% right now. Yeah, AAL was running. Yeah, AAL's up 8%, but it's coming down. Amy popping. Here we go. 17. We're at Declaration of Independence right now. 1776. Let's see what we're gonna get. We're up 2% right now. Jimmy's coming up here. SPY's looking all right. Where's my Tiger? Tiger's not really doing anything. Let's see what the value plays are gonna do. Costco trying to move back up here a little bit. Let's see. Did you do Ortex? What kind of question is that? SPY's moving nicely here. Of course, we did Ortex like 17 million times. Tesla rises 10.5% at open, biggest gain since January. All right, let's see. That's nonsense here. Tigers are up 165%. I like that. Jimmy running up here nicely, 150.70. SPY's getting some action. I like it. Yeah, Henry is running. Henry's running up nicely here. 7.85%. That's not bad. Yeah, HYMC's up about 7-8%. It's flickering hard here. Nvidia's running too. Yeah, Nvidia's getting a nice jump here. Where's Micron? Micron's trying to run up. Jimmy new highs. 151.18. Amy's trying to move up here a little bit too. Tiger flatlining. Costco trying. Twitter. I wouldn't touch it. It's not for me. I is making new highs over here ahead of the Fed. So this is off jobs data too, and it was just kind of unchanged. Nothing really happened. You bought the T20 calls for 10 cents, sold them for 22 cents. Damn, Mitch. There you go. Amy, new highs, 1777. Jimmy, new high, 152.27. Jimmy's getting up here nicely. I like it. Jimmy and Amy. I mean, Jimmy looks really good on the 4-hour and the daily. So let's see what we're going to get with these. Tiger solid, is it? It's doing all right. It's doing all right. I want Costco to be a little bit better. Mullen came below that. No, she did call it. I was calling if it breaks 133, it was gonna fall below 1, and it came to 134. So we had it, and it just never touched it. So it's very, very, very close to getting dirty on it. Yeah, Tiger's holding here. Made 5,000 on a Tesla 990 call from earnings. Robert, at a boy. There you go. There you go. Well, you shouldn't be playing earnings one way. Just point it out. But good for you. Be better Costco or we'll short you. No, there's no reason to short Costco here. Look at okay, so Costco on the 4-hour. I mean, it could easily come back down, touch the 13. So it could flatline at the 13 a little bit here and then come back to life. But we'll see. We will see. Amy's hunting those new highs. Costco's running up here a little bit. Where's my Tiger? It's just not doing a whole lot here. It's waiting for that like floop, 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 floop. All right, let's see what we're gonna get here. All right, yeah, Amy looking good. Jimmy flickering around here. Tiger flickering. Cost. I want it at 607 or above. Let's see. AMD running too. Yeah, they're all the chip makers are running. JM, thanks for the super, buddy. BRQS just broke 0.38, got in at 26 yesterday off True Demon DD. There you go. Make sure you're taking profits on those because those are really, really, really risky. Oh, Amy new highs. Amy's running up here. Amy's trying to make that push to 18. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's see, folks. Come on. Where's my Tiger? Here comes Tiger coming up there. I like it. Oh, Jimmy's running here. Where's Costco? Yeah, Costco's trying to come back up here too. What are the Tigers right now? 178%. The Costco's are 15%. My rad puts are up 98%. Nice. JM, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 106% on the rad puts. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Rite Aid getting sparked. Lucid and Tesla are running. Oops, that's the wrong one. Yeah, Lucid running up here. Tesla running up too. It's still really early in the day, people. Be careful. Yeah, Tesla's getting a pop. Amy's getting a pop here. 1791. Looking spicy. Looking spicy. Check HD. Is it running yet? Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up to that 4-hour 200. All right, Tiger's doing okay. Costco looking good. All right, let's see what we're going to get here. Spy's coming back down. Amy and Jimmy are not showing any signs of slowing down right now. Come on, Amy. Get above that 18 and start running. Just grabbed HD calls up already. 16%. Atta boy, Keith. Atta boy. All right, so Costco flickering here. Where's my Tiger? We'll see. 153.05 is the new high of the day on Jimmy. Looking spicy. I love it. Hit the like button, says Thomas. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Charge point. Yeah, what do we got here on charge point? It's up 4.86% here running. Spy's coming back down. Let's see. Are the Tiger and the Cost getting hit by this? No, that's a good thing to see. Is if Cost can hold this now, yeah, this is good. Spy is getting some reds over here. And Tiger and Costco are saying, nope, fuck you. That's awesome. That's really good. AMC volume, 1.94 million right now. It's at 1789. Let me check back in on the Tiger. 20% on the Costco's, 182% on the Tiger. I like that a lot. Max Pain on AMC, it was 18. Let me look again. You guys want Max Pain? It was 18 as of yesterday. Let me check it again. Hold on. 18. 18 is still Max Pain on Amy. All right, Tiger. Yeah, here comes Costco with some nice candles. I like it. Walmart hates 160. Yeah, Walmart at that like breakout of the high, it doesn't like it up there. Tiger still has a lot of room to run to even get even close to those highs, like the similar high. So we're looking good across the board. Wally, yeah, Wally's flickering. Tiger's flickering. Where's Tesla? Tesla. Tesla slowly stair stepping its way up here, up 10.5%. Realized a 201% gain on a Target call. Bought another cheaper one for next week. Target is easy mode. Well, it has been recently. Target's been really nice. It could easily, yeah, it could easily still come down too. So be careful. It needs to cool a little bit. Wow, Costco. Run. Run, Costco. Run. I want to get some free Costcos and just hold them. They're up 36% right now. It's not bad. Not bad. 107% on my rad puts. 173% on the Tigers. Amy. Amy getting a little action over here. Come on. Break those highs. Break those highs, Amy. Here we go. Break that 18 and start running. You can do it. I believe in you, Amy. Come on. Amy up 3% right now. Not bad. Costco flickering. Where's my Tiger? I don't like that. Your Tigers are beyond free? Tiger's nice, dude. Rocket ships. 1793 on Amy over here. Tiger moving down a little bit. Where's Costco? I think it's getting ready to boom. Oh, new highs on Amy over here. 1797. Come on, break that 18 and start running, Amy. Here we go. Here we go. We're up 62 cents, 3.63% right now. We got Jimmy coming up a little bit as well. We got Spy trying to do its thing. Yeah, 17.99. It's looking like it wants to do it. Come on, Amy. 1802, new high of the day. See what Rad is doing. Oh, Amy, 1801. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 1807. Come on, Amy. 1807, new day high. Looking good. Looking good, everybody. Come on. Get a little spicy here, Amy. Where's my Tiger? That's not great. Costco came back down. Your upside targets on AMC are 1825, 1913, 2049. Let's see if we can hit some of them. Let's see if we can hit some of them. 27% on the Costcos, 115% on the Rad Buds, 171% on the Tigers. Nice. Nice. GME upside targets 154.50, 159.80. Okay. GME's up 2.36% here, looking solid. Amy's up 18 or no, sorry. It's at 1804 right now. Spy trying to get a little bit of a pop back up here. Let's see. Where's the Tiger? Where's the Tiger? It's trying. It's trying. What is the no in the money calls on number of in the money calls on AMC? Stonko Tracker was having issues yesterday. Let's see if they fixed it. Yeah, so 18,000 calls in the money, 12,000 puts. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Amy hanging right above 18 here. Spy trying to move back up. Come on, pump the Tiger. Pump the Tiger in the cost. Not bad. Tesla on a tear. Yeah, Tessie's running. Tessie is running up nicely. UAL making move. Yeah, the airlines were looking good. Okay. Tiger could have a little. I mean, Tiger's up another percent here. That's really good, man. Costco looking good. Yeah, Amy running up here a little bit. Let's see. Again, guys, as you're coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Get these streams out to some more people. Let's see. 18 is max pain this week, so we'll see what happens here. 115% on the rad puts. Nice. I'll probably sell those. I'll probably sell those soon. Yeah, actually, I think I'm going to take that back now. All right. So I'm out of the rad puts. I better have sold it. Yeah, out of the rad puts, 27% on the Costco's, 171% on the Tiger right now. You want minimum pain? I want minimum pain too. Costco flickering here. Amy coming back down below 18. Spy looks like it wants to slowly stair step its way up here after this little morning pop. Jimmy's coming down to test the 13. Why did I get rad puts? This is why. So we saw it halt. We saw it really bump up after the halt. I actually had calls too. We saw the calls start to go, and then it was like, yeah, probably going to shark. This news kind of sucks. So I got the $8 puts. Dragged it all the way down. All right. Verizon pop. Let's see. Oh, yeah. VZ's coming back to life here. Yeah, Verizon's flying. Because I told you so. All right. Verizon's looking good here. Where's the Tiger? Tiger. Costco's still looking good. Oxy puts. I still want this. Oops, that's not the one. I still want the snap play today. I do want to get the snap play. Picked up the 250 strike on Tiger for 5.6, up 11%. There you go. I mean, Tiger, I think, this is what I think. I think Tiger needs to cool. The Tiger needs to cool out a little bit. It's just been up, 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 up. It needs one of these consolidation periods where the 13 EMA catches up and it can kind of test and then bounce back up. So, I mean, I have these contracts for May. If it does, I mean, and they're free. The contracts are free. So I don't really care a whole lot about what it does now. It'd be nice to really print on them. But if it doesn't, I mean, we're still going to just crush it. Why did I sell the rad puts? Because they were up 117%. And I wanted my money back so I could play some more snap. All right, Spy's coming up here a little bit. Costco looking good. How's the Tiger? Tiger looking a little squirrely on the Tiger. Let's see. Right back at Declaration of Independence for Amy. Costco up 34%. I like that. 163% on the Tiger. Tiger not looking so hot today. Costco is, though. That's nice. Oxy puts, please. I mean, I don't have to do it. You can do it. You guys know what you're doing. Yeah, I wouldn't. I would not. I would not really be touching Oxy in the morning here. I wouldn't really be touching Oxy in the morning. Let's see. Verizon calls printing. How much is it ripping? Ooh, Verizon looking spicy. Wait, holy shit. I have Verizon calls. What the fuck? Those came back to life. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've got some Verizon calls here. Nice. Forgot about those. Yeah, they're down a little bit here. It was a little tiny swing, but they're coming back to life. What strike do I have? Oh, nice. I forgot about those. Goose. Ooh, Costco. There we go. Yeah, my calls expire tomorrow too on Verizon. Let's see. That's running, dude. This is nice. They're running. This is nice. Your Verizons are 54% right now. Been holding them for a bit. Yeah, I think I got these last week on the 4-hour. It could shark on you, so be careful. Amy coming back down a little here. Nice. Oh, Verizon. You're up 41% on Costco calls. I might be as well. I'm up 55% on my Costco's. You're hedging your DraftKings shares with puts up 20%. There you go. Nice, man. Let's see. Where's VZ? It's sharking. I don't know. Maybe I'll hold these for earnings. Check out Bank of America. You guys have really liked banks recently. You guys are really, really liking the banks. Bank of America hovering at this 200 EMA here. Watch out. SPY's coming back up here. That could be real good for Costco. A little breakout here. Yeah, Costco's coming up. Tiger, it's doing okay. Costco and Tiger are doing all right. Where's VZ? It's chilling. I mean, I'm down a little bit on these, but this is nice. 44. Hey, Costco, where the fuck did you go? Are you at the high? And my contracts were up 55%, and now they're not. Why are you screwing with me, pal? Oh, the spread. The spread is terrible. 3M is running? All right. Yeah. Fuck. I do like this a lot. When's 3M's earnings again? I do like I like 3M a lot. When's 3M's earnings? The 26th. Shit. Yeah, that's not enough time. Yeah, 3M. We could get next week's. These are up 1,000. Whoa. When's the 26th? Monday? When is it, though? When is the 26th? Tuesday. Huh. Okay. And I like it. 43% on the Costco's, 178% on the Tigers. Amy coming back up off the 200 here. Jimmy's moving back up nicely here, too. SPY moving up here nicely. I like it. Took 130% on Verizon. There you go. 46% on Costco calls in less than 5 minutes. Dude, Costco's a beast. I'm telling you, these value plays are fucking awesome. X is pumping. Get that shit away from me. Big gap fills on the chart for 3M. Nice to see. See. I mean, I wish I had more time on it, man. HD still holding. It may move. HD needs really a 320 breakout. That's really what it needs. Costco coming back down. Tiger doing good. Tiger new highs. Tiger. Here we go. Make us some money. Tiger. Come on. Snap earnings is after hours today. Dude, look at this. 190%. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. What do we want? Dude, I want 3M. It's just fucky. Oh yeah, Tiger. Go, Tiger. Oh yeah. Come on, Tiger. Where are the plays? Dude, we've been calling them out for weeks. Tiger. Oh my God. This thing doesn't want to slow down ever. These are probably up over 200% now. 200% on the Tigers. Thank you very much. Verizon, how is this doing? Did it shark? Yeah, it sharked a little bit here. Where's Costco? Come on. Look at this. Yeah, Tiger big jump. If it holds this and starts running, oh man. Show us the fangs, Tiger, or the talons, or whatever the hell you have. SPY coming down, and Tiger's just like, nope. 321% on target. I am the Tiger King. Oh, Tiger, look at this. Look at this. Oh, keep going. Oh, yeah. Keep it going. Tiger. Dude. Oh, Costco, you have to do it too. You cannot just. All right, Amy coming down to test the 13, but like when we're looking at this right here, that's 30. This is sexy right here. My crap fill on Tiger from yesterday is still up 34%. There you go, Keith. 102% on Tiger. Good question. Here, what have you been looking at on target to stay in the play the whole time? EMAs. Okay, so I made them free yesterday. I made my targets free yesterday because it was extending a little bit more off of the 13 EMA than I wanted it to. It was just extending a little bit. Tiger. Printing. So I made them free, and now I just have this contract that I'm going to hold for a while, and it's just look at this thing. All right, this is going in the Discord. I am the Tiger King. Keep it. Oil supply squeeze. Uh-oh. Oxy running up. Hold on. Yuso. Are they starting to move here? Hold on. This could be dirty. Yeah, Yuso's running up. Where are you seeing the oil supply squeeze news? Where's oil right now? Oil's up 2.15. Yuso's running up. These Tigers are up 224%. Yeah, Yuso's starting to move here. Spy's kind of flatlining. Now it needs to cool off, I guess, man. Bill Ackman lost more than $400 million on his Netflix trade. Yeah, he's a dummy, is what he is. He's a big fat dummy. He's not. He's smart, but he's still a big fat dummy. Yeah, USO is coming up. Where's my Tiger? Still cranking. I want Costco to do this too. It's trying. It's very much trying. 94% on your Tiger call. You're welcome. Exxon has earnings next week as well. Ooh. 271% on Tiger. There we go. 101% for your next week. Dude, is it selling now? Is it sharking? Nope. Dude. These are printing. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Man. This is Verizon back up. Yep, Verizon at these highs. Let's see here. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Just sold your tires from yesterday for a $750 profit. I think I'll wait for it to cool and enter a longer expiration call on it. 1348 rocks. Keith, thanks for paying the plug, buddy. I appreciate that, man. Guys, you are absolutely killing it. If you've been looking at these technicals and on Tiger, everything was screaming value rotation. And here we go. Oh, baby. Dude, what the hell is the news on this? Oh, it's got some short interest on it? Tiger squeeze? All right. The Tasty Trades guy lost his ass on Netflix. It happens, man. I mean, it happens. 237% on Tiger now. Where's the VZ? The VZ's still a little red, but we'll see what happens with this. Where's Verizon? Tiger squeeze. You just re-entered Tiger 2 days ago and already up 150%. There you go, Cougar. There you go. Oil might get spicy today. I have not seen anything on the fucking USO, bro. I mean, it's what's it on the 4 hour? Oh, it's rimming. Oh man, that looks good. Because next week is when they're supposed to start those like embargo things. On Walter, Oxy running. Oh my god, look at this fucking beast. Amy coming down a little bit here, but I mean, we are legitimately printing across the board. Dollar General, Target is up 2%, give it a rest. Law getting boring. What? Frank, no. Tiger is an absolute. Look at what it's done. We've ridden this from sub 230 or 230-ish all the way up to 254. Thank you. Based on trading volume, it would take traders 3.4 days to cover their short positions on average on target. Oh, is that days to cover? Well, yes, it is days to cover. I know that. I don't know why I asked that. It is days to cover. No, that's my boy Frank. I don't know why Frank's doing that. So bored of making money. Let's see. Costco, how's this doing? Is it flatlining? And it's not really doing what I want it to do right now. It can, though. It can. Okay. Let's see what we're going to get. Ung is still having a rough week. Yeah, oil's coming up. I just haven't personally seen the oil news, so it's like I can't like. You made way more on BRQS. Frank, good for you. What ticker is Tiger? Target. TGT. BRQS is also most likely going to shark, so careful. Tiger's coming back down a little bit here. Same thing with the SPY. Where's my Costco? And it's holding. BZ. And flickering. Twitter news. I don't see it. I don't see anything yet. Mortgage rates in the U.S. rise to 5.11%, highest since April 2010. Holy shit. Holy shit. Here comes SPY. Amy coming down. Tiger. Ford is selling. Is Tesla coming back down? Ford's down. Tesla. It's hovering around the 13 here. Ooh, Jimmy Lil Pop. Jimmy Lil Pop. Damn it, Amy. Amy is up 1.43%. It's going to do what it's going to do. We have our other plays locked and loaded. Is Cat running? Is Cat tanking? Cat's running here. There it goes. Home Depot. Nope. Home Depot's not ready to go yet. It's not ready. Please check my crystal ball. I'll try. I'll do my best to check my crystal ball. Elon has the funding to buy Twitter. He always had the funding to buy Twitter. Cat no cross. 4 hour looks good on it though. Maybe coming back up. Let's see. HD. Tiger. Let's see. You've lost the whole 1,200 you've used for 1348. Interesting. Dion, were you following the rules? Were you going to all of the private live streams? Were you talking to all of the people in the Discord that know what they're talking about? Did you really take the time to understand the overall market conditions? Were you willy-nilly going on plays? Were you going off of your stop loss? There's a lot of things that you got to think about there. It's very hard to do that if you're following the rules. You just got a promotion, more free time, sliding into the Discord. There we go. Let's see. All right, Amy, 1763. SPY coming back up here. Tiger coming down a little bit, still up 1.6%. Oh, I want Costco to just get a giant candle to the upside. Am I going to play Verizon earnings? I mean, I might hold these through it. I might end up holding these through it. It depends. I mean, if these rip, I mean, these contracts are slightly red right now. I mean, if they rip, I'll make some free and hold one or something. Let's see. Sam Lee, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Sniping everything for quick gains again this morning. 4 for 5 on scalps, except I'm still mad I paper-handed Tiger multiple times in the past 2 weeks whenever I see 30%. That's fine, man. I mean, Tiger's going to do its thing and flicker around and do whatever it needs to do. But, I mean, I'm still you could make it free. I mean, I was planning on swinging it anyway. Like, it was already a swing in my mind. AAL, 18% and out. There you go, the new guy. Or never again. Day after day, we'll do it. Dion, try to go for some of the 4-hour crosses too. With the way that the market is reacting right now, the 5-minute crosses, if you're day trading, are gonna be really hard to continue to make some money on. That's why we keep those the 3-minute in the day trade in what do you call it? In the premium. So like you really have to know what you're doing. You have to pick the sectors and really see. I personally am loving the 4-hour crosses a lot more right now with these swings and the value plays because I already know where the money's going to go. Costco. Chilling. Tim, I don't really look at that. When I play the 4-hour, I'm using the monthly. Usually monthly. Jimmy coming down, SPY coming down. Tiger selling off those highs too. Coming down to touch the 13 on the 5. VZ holding at the high. UAL up 130%. I'm out. There you go. Tiger's just cooling down at the RSI. We got space to run in the next week. Yeah, I mean, I'm just holding it. Philly Bro should have done that 100%. My contracts were always only for 2 weeks out. Max. So you're always quick game with mine. Yeah, I mean, Tiger was just looking so good on the 4-hour. It was like, all right, here we go. And we had already done it. And we had already done it on Shopify. I mean, not Shopify. Sorry, I was looking at another message. Well, Leap on Shopify. You could. Did you say a month late or a month out? I don't you know what I mean. Boom boom on Oxy still going. Yeah, Oxy booming. Is oil still running here? Oil up. It's 2.4 ish. Yeah, Oxy trying to run here. Tiger. Tiger. What do you call it? Costco. Costco's holding right now. I like it. Just took 50% gain on Cat. There you go. Where's 3M? Verizon's looking really good here. Verizon's looking real good here. Am I going to play Snap earnings today? Probably, yes. Do you play them on the monthly or do you play them a month out? I mean, if you're talking about like the actual expiration date, I try to go for the monthly expiration. That's what I try to do. Just because there's going to be a little bit more like action on it, like just open interest volume. Here comes the Verizon new highs. VZ new highs over here. Oxy 52-week high. Damn, son. Yeah, Oxy breaking out here. Yeah, Oxy is running. Careful with Oxy. If you're going to play it, it does have a cross and it's running. It likes to shark on people. So if you're going to do it, be very careful. Just quick in and out is what I would say. I'm not doing it, though. Tiger came back up a little bit here. Where's Costco? Costco came down a little. Uh, 1763 on Amy. You guys know the stock market doesn't watch the news and react. It's you dum-dums. That's not true, Sam. That's verifiably false. Need a pullback on Oxy? I think it will. You could play it on the rim. You could play it on this, coming down to the 13 and then ripping right back up. You took the 4-hour CVS cross down. Cross down? CVS did not cross down on the 4-hour. CVS is showing a lot of signs of strength. This is not crossing down. And it didn't even it sort of crossed down here. But again, this is not like a good cross here. This is not like a good one. It's like the lines are all wound up right here. And it crossed up here. It's coming down to test. Everything on the CVS chart right now, it's above the 200 EMA. Like, I probably wouldn't have taken this to the downside. Yeah, the algos scrape the news and react. Tiger bouncing back up here a little bit. Where's Costco? Costco coming down to the 48. Morning all, just had 4 state troopers pull me over for tinted windows on my son's car. Dude, Sam, you are always running into trouble with the law, buddy. Baba tanking. Alibaba. Yeah, moving down a little bit there. Yeah, Baba's down 2.3. Let's see here. Let's see. Spotify getting sparked. I mean, this is not like a news. United States will ban Russian affiliated ships from US ports. Oh, video podcasts on Spotify now. I mean, this is not a news move on Spotify. This is just Spotify selling. You would see it move a lot differently if it was news. Tiger bounce. Costco above 607? No. Bing bong. The price is wrong. 20% of Carl Icahn's holdings are in Oxy. It would be, whoa. Really? That's kind of drunk. Yeah, it'd be more climactic. It would be like you'd see volume candles shoot off. What are we playing today? I mean, I'll play Snap earnings. I have the Tiger swing. I have the Costco. I actually still have these Verizons kicking around. Oh, thank you, Verizon. Are these green yet? No, they're close. My Verizons are about to go green. That's nice. What time is class today? I got to go soon. Then I'll be back on, though. Yeah, Verizon's moving up here. Jimmy, big red fear candle. SPY. Verizon's looking good, though, ahead of earnings tomorrow. All right, moving down. Let's see. When is my last day of class? I don't know. Tiger is target. Let's see. Oxy. Yeah, so Oxy's sharking a little here. Icon sold his 10% stake in Oxy in March. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Watch Oxy for a bounce on M3. What is M3? Cost. Holden. VZ running. Yeah, Verizon looked real good today. Verizon looks really good today. You have 4 contracts on Verizon expiring tomorrow. I feel like you should get out of 2 of them for profit and hold 2 for earnings. You can do that if it's free. If it's completely free, you can do it if you want to, if you get your initial investment back. I mean, you can even leave one and then you have guaranteed profit. Think Snap will keep going down? I don't think so. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, honestly. I really on the day before earnings, if I'm playing the event, I don't really care what the company does. Docu's making you bank on the downside. Yeah, Docu's been. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. All right, let's see how these value plays are doing. Costco still holding here. Tiger's coming down a little bit. Facebook will plummet. You betting 150 buy earnings. I would much rather just play the event again on Facebook. They're gonna just dick around and do their thing. All right, let's see, people. So I do have to go to class and do another presentation, but I will be back on around 12:30, 12:45. So I'll schedule the live stream and then I'll be back for you guys around then. All right, people, we're printing today. We're having an awesome day so far. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. Again, if you guys do remember that algorithm that we have, Algo did some back testing on 10,000 stocks over 6 years. And if you have a 2% profit target with shares, you get a 75% win rate with the algorithm and all of the rules input into it. And we're going to be releasing that to you guys soon in the premium. So if you guys do want that free access into the premium, the link is up in the live chat over there. Remember, you do have to still sign up through the Patreon, but you don't get charged until the beginning of the month. We'd love to see you guys in there. Gabe is actually live in there right now. For all of you guys struggling with your trading, we are here to help you. We're not going to do an offer like this again in the near future. So if you guys do want to come check it out, see what we're all about, I mean, now is the time. Time is running out. It's 21st. So let's see. Hopefully Amy gets a little bit of a pop today. Hopefully we see Tiger run back up to those high spies coming up. We got Costco, Verizon. We'll play Snap in the afternoon. I'll be back on at 12:30, 12:45 though. Other than that, people, I'll see you guys in a little bit and peace.